sunosphere!
Hey, Buzz, your shoelace is untied.
Huh? It is?
After it, you worthless widgets! Get that sunosphere!
There it goes!
I'll take the snowboard. You guys get on the toboggan.
Hop on!
Wait. Maybe it's better if I ride in front and you...
Inez, there's no time to analyze this. Get on!
He's at the 10, the 5. Touchdown! Woo! Oh, no.
Woe is me! It's getting cold. Solaria will soon be a gigunda-sized ice cube. And I can't do anything about it. I'll never get the sunosphere back! What? I got it back! Solaria is saved! Never mind.
Got it! Missed it!
Bada bing, bada boom!
Digit!
Yeah! Way to go, Dig! Bada!
Nice to see you again, Digi. I thank you, and the hacker thanks you. Yeah, thanks. Let's go, Toboggan Boy. Hey, Buzz, you sure about this shortcut? Sure, I'm sure. Have I ever steered you wrong? Well, actually, there was that, Buzz.
There it is!
I'll get it! Yeah! I know! I'll beat it!
Can you get it?
No way! You gotta help me!
How do we get across?
There's a bridge.
Matt, wait!
Be careful!
Whoa!
Matt!
Whoa!
You okay, Maddie?
Yeah, that was close. There's a humongo hole in the ice.
How deep is it?
I don't know, but it's too wide to get over, and we can't get around it.
What if we fill it with something?
Good idea, Jax. Maybe there's something in that shed.
Barrels! Perfect! We can fill the hole with these.
Great! Let's figure out how many we need. We don't want to waste time taking them all the way over there and then find out we don't have enough to fill the hole.
How do we do that? We don't know how big the hole is, and we don't have anything to measure with.
I know. Let's use barrels to measure just like we used you to measure up to the ski lift.
But that won't be exact.
Of course not, but it should be close enough to tell us how many barrels it takes to fill the hole.
How many barrels fit on the bottom?
4, 2 by 2. Okay, so 4 barrels makes 1 layer. How many layers do you think we need to fill the hole?
102?
102? We need an estimate, Digit, not a wild guess.
Didge, what you need is something to measure how deep the hole is, in barrels.
Okay, you want an estimate? I'll wing it. Yeah! It won't be exact, but it'll be close. And in this case...
I know. Close enough is good enough.
My wing's about as long as a barrel is wide.
Okay, now see how many wings it is to the top of the hole.
That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. We need 3 more layers.
All right, each layer is 4 barrels. So we need 3 more layers to fill the hole.
And 4 times 3 is 12, which means we need 12 more barrels.
Uh-oh. 12 barrels? I don't think we have enough.
We'd better double check. Come on.
7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, not enough.
Well, so much for that plan. While you think of another one, I'll take a bird nap.
Another barrel! Now we've got 11.
But we need 12.
Maybe not. That was just an estimate, remember? 1 barrel short shouldn't stop us from getting across. Come on.
I declare this bridge officially open. Just stay to the right.
Yeah, we did